Hi.
Okay, just no spitting on the camera. Okay. So here today we are doing the cinnamon challenge. Once again. I think it smells good. Okay, no, I want a big boot. I want to go big or go home.
I want to go big or go home too.
Okay, say it here. Not this one.
Whatever. I've already done this before anyway. Here, I'll go first.
No, we have to all do it together.
I know, but I'm getting the first one.
That's a lot.
Yeah, you have to do a lot.
Oh God.
But let's wait before the wind blows it away. Go.
I'm definitely going.
Wait. Okay.
Dude, it's not.
Snap.
Here, let me see.
Wait, let me open the water bottle first. Nice.
Okay, wait.
Shit.
Okay, so. You cheater! Taking the water.
I'm not drinking the water.
Okay, ready?
I didn't look.
Wait. Okay, let's start
Ready?
that because we're gonna spit on the cameras.
I already know we are.
Okay, ready, set, go. I threw up.
It's like baby powder.
Ew.
You need to stay off that crack.
Oh my god. Go give me a towel. Ew.
Hey, winner.
You didn't swallow it.
Hold on.
Ew. Ew. Oh. Ew. Tastes like
I got it all on my sleeve.
Ew.
Did you throw up?
I threw up, dude. Oh god. Because I heard like
Shit. Oh, shit. No, I'm swallowing it. What is that?
it's cinnamon.
Oh, the
Cinnamon challenge.
Yeah.
Ugh.
So stupid.
Have you done it before?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm finishing it, dude. I'm doing it.
No, from across the camera, all you.
Why did you throw up?
I don't know. It's just like a gag reflex that I had. I don't know.
No,